In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Outlook Focused Inbox. By the end, you'll know how to turn it on or off in both the new Outlook and the web version, how to manage it in classic Outlook, and how to move messages or set simple rules so your inbox shows what matters first. Let's start in the new Outlook or Outlook on the web. Look toward the top right and click the Settings gear icon. In the panel that opens, go to Mail, then Layout. Find the Focused Inbox section. Here you have two choices: select Sort Messages into Focused and Other to turn Focused Inbox on, or choose Don't Sort My Messages to turn it off. The change applies immediately, so you can toggle it and see the difference right away. If you're experimenting, don't worry, switching back and forth won't lose any mail, it simply changes how messages are grouped. If you're using classic Outlook on desktop, the control lives on the ribbon. Go to the View tab and click Show Focused Inbox. Clicking it toggles the feature on or off. When it's on, your inbox splits into two tabs, Focused and Other. When it's off, everything appears together again. This is handy if you need a quick, one-click change without diving into settings. Next, let's talk about moving emails manually, which is great for fine-tuning what shows up under Focused. If a message landed in Other but it's important, drag it from Other into Focused. You can also right-click the email, choose Move, and select Move to Focused Inbox. If a message in Focused isn't a priority, right-click it and choose Move, then Move to Other Inbox. These moves help Outlook learn your preferences over time, so keep adjusting until the split feels right. To make that learning stick even more, set rules for specific senders. When you're in the Other tab and you have an email from someone you always want to see in Focused, right-click it, choose Move, and select Always Move to Focused Inbox. From then on, messages from that sender will land in Focused automatically. Likewise, if a sender's messages are better kept out of the way, right-click the email while you're in the Focus tab, choose Move, and select Always Move to Other Inbox. You can change your mind later by moving a message back and choosing the opposite Always Move option. That's it. Thanks for watching.